Hi Renovators! Again, welcome to my page. So, andito ako sa Capitolio, Pasig. Meron kaming two-story house renovations. So, I'll just give some few tips para sa mga gustong makatipid sa kitchen renovations nyo. Let's go! So renovators, so for today's episode, I'll just discuss some few tips. For example, si owner, medyo gusto niya ng budget friendly. So instead of granite, ang pina-install niya is 120 by 60. So ito yung mga sinasabi ko sa mga previous video ko na pwede kayong magkaroon ng alternative na budget friendly instead of granite tiles. So ayun. So ito, kung makikita nyo, yung 120 by 60 is, compare mo sa granite, which is, mas maganda pa rin talaga aesthetics, almost similar naman. Pero kung medyo nagtitipid ka talaga at budget friendly lang ang kaya ng budget mo, I suggest to go to with tiles. So ito naman, renovators, so medyo nagtipid din si client. So ang gusto niya lang is single na faucet at lababo, which is applicable naman sa small family, of course. And also, ito ginawa namin laminated cabinets pa rin. So, ayun, renovators. So, hopefully, renovators, kung medyo nagtitipid talaga kayo at budget friendly lang ang kaya nyo, is go for this one na katulad ng ginawa ng owner na to dito sa Capitolio, Pasig. For example, minimal lang na lababo, minimal cost, tiles 120 by 60 instead of granite. And kasama tong laminated cabinets na good quality pa rin. So ayun renovators, again, thank you again for watching for some few tips. Bye!